need a strong man with muscles everywhere and very handsome. Always dresses well. He will be Jesse, like a drummer in a band, the very opposite of my husband. He must have long hair, be tall and broad-shouldered, with a sense for fashion, for night things and for fun. Buy me roses, always by the dozen, the very opposite of my husband. I can get so frustrated, I'm looking for a break. Who said the wedding ring must be a prison cell? I think I call him Jim, 'cause Jim's a nice name. He'll have two big blue eyes and freckles on his face. I finally find a key to a secret garden, the very opposite of my husband. No more fun, who said I'd married life with nothing but a bargain. I'm getting desperate, my head under the sand, the very opposite of my husband. I'd married life with nothing but a bargain. I'm getting desperate, my head under the sun, the very opposite of my husband, the very opposite of my husband, the very opposite of my husband.